Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. This is your Saloni ma'am. Warm greetings to all the parents and grandparents too. So today we are going to learn about comparison of numbers, where we compare two numbers and find out which one is greater than, less than, or equal to. I know you have done this in your online classes, but let's revise one more time, okay? Comparison of numbers and their symbols. But before we begin, see who has come to see you? Ellie the alligator. I know you love her story. So let's revise her story one more time. There once was an alligator. Ellie was her name. She loved to eat numbers, so she made it a fun game. She was always hungry, so little number wouldn't do. She only wanted big numbers. Those were so yummy to chew. When she ate those big numbers, it put a big smile on her face. She would start singing this song all over the place. I love big number, yes I do. I love big number, yes I do. They taste so good to me. Ooh. They taste so good to me. Ooh. Crunch, crunch, munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, munch, munch. Crunch, crunch, munch, munch. So, Ellie the alligator is starving and always wants to eat the bigger number. Her mouth opens towards the greater number. When the numbers are the same, she can't decide which one to eat and closes her mouth, which makes the equal sign. Okay, so always remember, children, the greater number is next to the wider end, while lesser number is next to the narrower end. Okay, now tell me one thing. If there are 25 fish on one side of the pond and 20 fish on another side, which one will she eat? 25 or 20? Think. Compare the two numbers. But always remember what Ellie says. The bigger number is my snack. To the smaller number, I turn my back. So which is greater, 25 or 20? Obviously, 25 is greater number, so she will eat 25. Okay, now let's play number game. Are you ready for the game? Oh wow, I am ready too. Okay, so in this, I will give you some situations, okay? And there are few numbers in those situations. You have to think about those numbers and compare them and use the correct sign, whether they are greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, here comes the first one. Aman has 7 candles on his birthday cake. Okay. So Aman has 7 candles and Daksh has 9 candles on his birthday cake. Now use the comparison symbol and see which one will you use. Compare 7 and 9. In your notebook and use the sign. Time is up. So here we'll see 7 is small number Okay, when we compare two numbers 7 and 9, 7 is less than 9. So we'll put less than sign. Okay. Alright. So are you ready for the next? Okay. So next one is Meeta has 32 storybooks. Wow, 32 storybooks. And Mohit has 22 storybooks. So you have to compare 32 and 22. Write down in your notebook and put the correct sign 32 and 22. I know you know which symbol to put. Time is up. So 32 is greater number. So we'll put greater than sign and we say 32 is greater than 22. So easy, isn't it? Okay, let's move to another one. Suppose you have 85 marbles and your friend has 75 marbles. So you have to compare. How will you compare? You have 85 marbles and your friend has 75 marbles. Now compare the two numbers, 85 and 75. First write the 85 and then write the 75. Think. Yeah, when we compare, we see 85 is greater than 75. So we put greater than sign here. Okay. Here comes another one. Are you ready? Are you ready for the next? Okay. So, Aru 55 beats. And Adya also has 55 beats. Now compare both the numbers. Arohi has 55 beats and Adya also has 55 beats. Now put the sign. Which sign will you put? 55 on both the sides. Time is up. 55 and 55 both are same. Both are equal. So we'll put equal. Wow, well done. I hope you liked it. Yes, you can play the similar number game with your mama, papa, okay, or with your friends. Alright, now one more situation I would like to give you. Listen carefully. We'll discuss it about in online class, okay? So just think about it and give me your answer when we will join again in the online class, okay? So one day mama has got some sweets for you from the market. Okay. Now tell me, will you keep all the sweets for yourself? Or will you share it with other family members too? Will you share it equally? Or will you take the greater number for yourself? What will you do? What will you do? Think about it and tell me later on. Okay, we'll discuss about it. Alright then. Take care, keep smiling and always be happy. Bye-bye.